Alright boys, this is the HR-2510 and I'll just turn the light on here. Yep, so you see the band is right there. So let's just see, press it and you'll see A, B, C, D. So the radio is not in any way, shape, or form modified frequency-wise. Alright, I did notice a couple of things with the radio. Number one, the radio has talkback, so it's been modified that way. So I got to change that back to normal. And the radio is also producing a lot of power. So it seems she's also been tweaked on the RF side of things as well. So as you see, 50 watts. Put her on AM first. 50 watt scale. Test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. That's like 20 watts on AM. That's crazy. Let's put her on upper sideband. Again, 50 watt scale. 5 being 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Victor, Ocean 1, Mike Delta, Sierra. Victor, Ocean 1, Mike Delta, Sierra. Audio. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Victor, Ocean 1, Mike Delta, Sierra, testing. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. So yeah, radio's almost doing 50 watts. That is nuts. Yeah, so I got her hooked up to this pyramid power supply here. She seems to be running it. Not that she wants to, but she's running it. The radio's not, don't seem to be dimming out too much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Victor, Ocean 1, Mike Delta, Sierra test. Victor, Ocean 1, Mike Delta, Sierra test. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Audio, audio. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. So let's put her in a 500 watt scale, which 0.5 would then be 50 watts. 1, 100, 2, 200, 3, 300, 4, 400, 5, 500. Audio, 1, 2, 3. Victor, Ocean 1, Mike Delta, Sierra. Victor, Ocean 1, Mike Delta, Sierra. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Watt scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Test 1, 2, test 1, 2. The Victor, Ocean 1, Mike Delta, Sierra testing. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. So, yeah. The radio has been tweaked. I wonder, what have they done with the finals to allow that kind of power transfer? Interesting. Very interesting indeed.